Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a swatch test on the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio. Now, this is my first Fenty Beauty product, and I know I'm super late. I haven't bought any of their products, but I've heard a lot of good reviews on their foundations and highlighters, but I'm excited to try out and take a look at the Matchstick Trio. Basically, it comes with a contour, a concealer, and a highlighter, and kind of looks like a matchstick for each tube. And I believe I bought it on sale for about $47.50 from Sephora. The original price is approximately $69, which is not too bad for the three products that you're getting in the box. Honestly, on their website, it did look a little bit bigger. But there's probably a lot of product packed into the tubes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take out the tubes from the box, and I guess it opens from the bottom. Now, so far I really like the packaging. It's super easy on the eyes. I love the soft beige and the light black that they have going on here. It's super nice. And let's take a look what the tubes look like. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so these are the three tubes. Now it seems like they're stuck together by something. Oh, it's magnetized. That is so cool. That is something I actually didn't hear about. That's actually pretty cool. I really like that. So they will always be stuck together. Well, not always. I mean, you could take them apart, but easy to locate. If you have put them in your makeup box, they'll be easily stuck together so that you'll locate them very easily. All right, now the packaging I like. It's a soft pink, as you can see here, and you can kind of see the Fenty Beauty logo is nicely written very lightly there. I love this color scheme that they have going on here. Super cute, super simple, which I like. Now, as I mentioned, the package came with three matchsticks, so a concealer, a contour, and a highlighter. Now that's actually pretty good. A lot of the contour palettes that I currently have don't come with the concealer. It usually comes with the highlighter, some contouring shades, and maybe a blush, sometimes, not always. So I think that's pretty cool that it comes with the concealer. Now on Sephora, they do show a swatch test on their website to show what it would look like on your skin, and they do have different skin tones on there. So I wasn't able to test it out in the actual store to see if the color shade group that I got would fit my skin tone, but I took a look at their swatch test, and it seems like the deep 400 would fit my skin tone really well. So let's test it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at the bottom here to see which one is the concealer, because that's what I'm gonna start off with. And I believe it is this one in the color shade Suede. I've been saying shade too much. But yeah, in the color shade. And let's see. So this is it. Opens like this, very easy to open, and this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging, reminds me of the KKW packaging as well, but this seems nice and easy to use. And I'm just gonna do a little swatch on my hand here. Now the color I think is actually perfect for my skin tone for a concealer. It's not too light and it's not too dark. I think it'll fit very well. Also, I like that it's buildable. The first layer that you do, it's not too much product. It's very buildable, which I like. You have a lot of control on how your face will turn out, so I really like that, and I like the shade. Okay, now let's take a look at the contour shade, and this is in the color Espresso. Ooh, it's a little dark, you can see here, but seeing how the concealer was, it might be buildable, so it might not be too dark on the first, draw, but let's take a look. All right, now super smooth application. I should have mentioned that with the concealer as well. Super smooth, don't need to apply too much pressure when you're applying it. Now the contour shade seems a little bit dark, but it can probably be blendable and buildable, meaning I could probably put a little bit on my cheeks and I could blend it out so it's not too harsh. So it'll work. It's not a horrible color. The concealer will work definitely. The contour, I can make it work. and let's take a look at the highlight. Okay, so now the highlighter, which is in the color Cinnamon with an S at the beginning. I'm gonna try that out. This is what it looks like. It's actually a pretty pink, like a rose gold color, which I like. And let's do a little swatch. Ooh, this is pretty. I really like this. I actually love how this feels and how it goes on. It's super easy and very nice to put on. I feel like very easy, like you don't have to press too hard, and I've had that trouble with a lot of contouring cream palettes that I've had in the past, but this is very nice. Yeah, the highlighter, I think it will go perfect with my skin tone. I love a rose gold. When I bought my Becca Cosmetics rose gold one, I think that's what it was called, that was like my first ever real highlighter, and I had loved it until I broke it. But this kind of reminds me of it, but in a cream cream fashion, because the Becca one was powder. But yeah, no, I really like the highlighter. So those are the 3 colors that it comes with. All right, so far I really enjoyed this product. It's super blendable, buildable, and lightweight. I will be doing an application, so look out for that. It'll be coming out in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, if you guys have tried out this product or have similar products in mind like it that are better or worse, or you know, just have an opinion about it, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear them. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Bye for now.